I am Anshuman Pratik and my team is working on the project Water Level Controller using Arduino Uno. Here is the glimpse of the entire circuit, in which we have taken the use of Arduino Uno, which is powered on by an external AC source supplied by the laptop. And here we have a ultrasonic sensor which detects the height from the air gap between the water level. And here we have all the breadboard connections connected through the jumper wires. And here is one of the DC source of 9 volt which is connected to the Arduino Uno for power supply. Here the Arduino Uno is used for powering all the circuit connection, and sensor is used to detect the distance module. Here we have also connected one ULN2003, which is nothing but to turn on or off the water motor pump connected. And here is the relay in blue color you can see, which is a device in attaining a supportive connection between a circuit connection and the water pump connected to it. Here is a small 7806 IC connected to the breadboard, which helps in attaining a constant power of 6 volt supply to the relay. And to make the full use of the breadboard, we have used the jumper wires and copper wires to complete the circuit connection. And this is the LCD which is used for displaying the data which we attain after estimating or compiling the code. Now let's look at the working of it. Before that, we can have a look at the code. So here is the code and I have compiled it. As we can see, the compiling is done, and now we are going to upload it to our Arduino Uno. Now here is the bucket connected to the water level sensor, and here is the mark. Now let's start pouring it and see how the buzzer reacts. Now we begin filling the water, and as the height reach, we can see the buzzer starts reacting, and thus our project objective is fulfilled to the much extent. Thank you.